To the latest on the Lindsay Clancy trial, the prosecution resting its case and the defense beginning to present its case today.
And joining us live right now is retired Massachusetts Judge Jim Barretto. Judge, it's always great to hear from you. So, nearly 70 witnesses were called to testify for the prosecution over the last few weeks. So, in your opinion, I know the prosecution tried to build its case. Did they build a solid case?
Well, as you pointed out, they called an extraordinary number of witnesses in an attempt to build an overwhelming and cumulative case. And I think the Commonwealth's case on murder, in other words, that she either premeditated it or, and I have to emphasize the word or, committed the killings with extreme atrocity or cruelty is fairly strong. With that said, however, the Commonwealth's case that she was criminally responsible for those killings is, in my view, vulnerable.
Well, let me ask you this, because now the defense is up, right? The first three people called to testify. We've now heard a former co-worker of Lindsay's, her sister, and her mother. They've been testifying. Do you think there's a strategy behind calling them in a certain order?
Absolutely, Jessica. It was Mr. Reddington's intention, as soon as he got the case, to humanize the defendant, who, after all, I think some would argue, has been made out to be, let's face it, a cold-blooded killer. So it's his job to humanize this individual. This is a person who was suffering a severe mental health decline, whether it was, psychosis, whatever it was. We'll hear from all the experts. But it was very intentional, and the order is important. You don't always get to show the witnesses in the order you want to, though. Sometimes an expert is at a hospital busy, and you have to call him or her late.
So Judge, let's walk through because not everybody's familiar with the steps and the procedure. So the prosecution wrapped up. The defense is presenting its case right now. Then the prosecution has an opportunity to get back in front of the jury, right?
Well, Ed, I think that's critical that you point that out. A lot of folks don't realize that the prosecution is entitled to what's called rebuttal. So in other words, we're going to hear from the defense case in chief, which will involve expert witnesses as well as lay witnesses. But then the case is not over. At that point, the Commonwealth will have what's, as I mentioned, called rebuttal, and will have the ability to present competing experts to rebut the expert testimony provided by various physicians and psychologists and psychiatrists during the case by the defense. You're absolutely right.
All right, Judge Jim Barretto, we always appreciate your insight on this and walking us through how this will all unfold. We appreciate your time.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
By the way, our Sarah Kanji, she's in the courtroom. She'll have a live report at 5 o'clock. You can also read her live notes and watch key moments from the trial on our app and on Very Local.